Hi everyone, this is Aruna, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. In this session, I'm going to detailedly explain about the calling function, call by value or pass by reference or a call by reference. In my previous video, I explained about the call by value. Before watching this video, kindly follow my previous video. Then only you can able to understand this particular concept very much easier. So we know that if we call by value, if you did any changes in your formal argument, it will never reflect the actual argument. So by using a call by reference, we are passing the variable itself you are passing. So that could be the case if you did any change in the function, definitely it will be affected over here. Because see here in my previous video, I quoted one example, the juice bottle. In the function one, just copy is per. If one person is drinking the thing, it will never change the original value. Itself we are passing. If second person is using the thing, definitely it will be could not be used by the first function. This it could be affected. Is it right? In this case only we can call it as a call by reference. See here, I will quote the example. See here, my x value is 5 and y value is 15. Swapping means after while coming over here, x value I'm passing as 5, 15. Swap means it will be changed. X value is 15 and y value is 5. That could be changes to be occur. Here I'm passing the alias. Alias is nothing but the I'm passing the address of x and y to the formal argument. From actual argument, I'm passing the address. Here I address used as a ampersand operator can be used to address of x and address of y can be passed to the swapping function. So through that can be give it over here as a alias. Here x alias is A and y alias is B. B is nothing but the pointer variable. Both are pointer variable. So pointer variable can hold the address of X and address of Y. Address of X can be stored in A. Address of Y can be stored in the B. So if I do any changes over here, definitely it will be affected. So because here you are changing the thing in only the memory location. You are not changing the variable. So if I did anything, now the swapping has been taken place. X can contain the 15 and Y can contain the 5. So the values are swapped. So this is how the call by reference can be used. Let us see one with an example. So before entering into the example, first we will see the definition. Here copy by call by reference, the caller actual parameter and the function actual parameter refer the same location, because by using the address operator only, we are passing the actual parameter to the formal parameters. Through that, if you did any changes in the function, inside the function, definitely it will reflected in the actual parameter. So how it could be reflected means I will show it over here. So your compiler will start from the main. So it will initialize the value a equal to 0. So while using this thing, a memory can be allocated. That is 1024 can be allocated and the value a. A could be the, initially A could be the 10 over here. The value 10 will be assigned over here. And also before calling the set A value is equal to 10, it could be printed over here. So after calling the function, see here I am passing the address. This is my formal argument A. I am passing the address of A to my function. So automatically it moved to this particular function. It will set here. It will have a memory location of 1024 over here. That particular value will be accessed over here. So what is the value of 1024? Because a set ampersand A is this one. It will have an address. That particular address will be passed over here. Here I am changing A to the 0. So after this thing, it will be set it to 0 because I am changing changed to my address. Here I am passing this address to this over here. So if I do any changes over here, definitely it will be reflect over here. Now the A value can be changed to 0. So after returning the thing, the function, see here my function value will be set it as a 0. So after, if I did any changes over here, definitely it will be affected over here. See here, this is my actual formal argument. This is my actual argument. If you are only passing the address over here, if I did any changes over here, definitely it will be reflected over here. So this concept we can be call it as the call by reference. I think you are know about the what do you mean by call by value and call by reference. You may arise the doubt, where could be I have to use my call by, where and all I can able to use my call by value and call by reference. This is also based on the user need only. We can able to choose in which cases I have to do call by value and call by reference. Because both the thing, if I did a permanent modification, I can go for call by reference. No, I don't want to modify my entire data. Locally, I have to change. After completed this thing, it could be come for the actual argument. So actual form. Then in that cases, you can use the call by value. So this is also we have to choose only based on the requirement and the use case of the particular thing. Thank you. In my next video, I am going to detailedly explain about what is the use, what is the advantage, what is the disadvantage of this thing. Along with one activity, along with my students, I have to do some activity related to my function, and also I'm going to explain about the case study related to the function concept. Thank you for watching my video.